Homeowners are already strung out about the mortgage and foreclosure crisis and rising insurance costs in our state. Now a bill on Governor Charlie Crist's desk could make them even more jittery.
It concerns big changes to private sinkhole insurance, and that could be expensive. Fox 13's Chris Kimura tells us there's a lot more than money at stake.
You know, you just don't know how the water runs.
Victoria Hauser's home is coming apart.
It's pretty scary.
A sinkhole is shifting the entire cinder block wall outside her bedroom.
The cracks started getting bigger. They were about the size you could fit your thumbnail in it, and now you can see it's just gone crazy.
Victoria can't imagine fixing this mess without insurance.
We would really be stuck if we didn't have sinkhole coverage. I don't know what we would do.
But if Governor Crist signed Senate Bill 742, Victoria and others in Pasco and Hernando could soon learn their sinkhole coverage will be canceled. That same letter might also say you can buy it back at a higher rate and only after an inspection at your expense.
It's not a good idea, especially in Pasco or Hernando, because it's a very sinkhole-prone area.
Consumer groups fear most will just go without sinkhole insurance.
It's worked very well.
Senator Mike Visano helped write the bill. He says not everyone needs a sinkhole policy, since rare home-swallowing cases are still covered, even if sinkholes aren't part of your homeowner's insurance. He calls some sinkhole coverage bells and whistles.
If you want to have the cracks in your driveway, the cracks in your drive wall type coverage, that's what we call the bells and whistles, and you're going to have to pay extra for that.
Fasano says state-run Citizens Insurance tested this for 2 years. People who drop sinkhole coverage there save 45 to 50%. Consumer groups call that a gamble.
If you've got enough money in the bank that you can replace your house, you know, if a sinkhole happens or repair any damage, then fine, you probably don't need insurance for that. But most of us don't.
And the Hausers are proof.
Fixing sinkhole damage is by no means a cheap proposition. In the case of the Hausers, they say the estimates to fix the cracks in their home as well as to pump the sinkhole 100 feet underground range from $19,000 to $64,000.
Oh, yeah, it's heartbreaking.
Though the Hausers hope to keep their sinkhole insurance, they'll be watching the mailbox and their step. Chris Kimura, Fox 13 News.